Hello and welcome. Hope you're all well. Today, what we're going to be doing, carrying on with a bit of Java, but we're doing it, learning Java in a different way through graphics design. And the reason for that is that a lot of our children will go in the future, will go into game production, computer graphics, computer art, computer design. You know, even draftsmen use computers these days. And we're going to look at today, perspective and how we can change the perspective by just using our mouse. Right, so let's go over to this view. Hopefully you can see this. Quite a simple little sketch. So for our sketch, we need File, New, and that will give us a new sketch. Okay. Excuse me, dear. Right. So remember we've got our two voids. We've got a void setup and a void draw. Void setup, things we want to happen just once. Okay, brackets on, brackets off, space, square bracket, curly brackets on. All right. Now remembering we don't get any auto brackets, curly brackets within this program. We have to do it all manually. All right, the first thing you want to do is our size. All right, the size of our window. We'll have it 640, comma space 320. Comma space, and here's a new one because we want it 3D. Have to put this command in, P3D. Oh, P3D. All right, brackets off, semicolon, enter. All right, now we want the fill, so we want a background color. Brackets on, we'll have it around 204, which is like because we go 0 to 255, so it's around the middle. All right, brackets off, semicolon, enter. That is our void setup. Don't forget our curly brackets off, because we have to do this all manually. Now we want our void draw. Brackets on, brackets off, space, curly brackets on. Okay, we want lights. Oh, not lights. We want lights. Brackets on, brackets off, semicolon, enter. And we'll have a background of black. So background. Remember, the void draw is things we want to happen time and time again. So it's brackets on, 0, brackets off, semicolon. Right, hope you can see that. Now we want to change the height of the camera when we move the mouse. All right, so the thing we want is camera. All right, brackets on, 30.0, comma, mouse, capital Y. All right, for mousey, comma, 220.0, all right, comma. All right, so that's our I, X, Y, and Z. All right, now we want to center. Okay, I'm going to tab in to under the 30. So it's 0.0 space. 0.0 space. Sorry, in between here we need a comma, comma, okay, space, 0.0, all right, comma, enter. 0.0, comma, space, 1 0.0 comma space and 0.0. Okay, brackets off, semicolon. So that's give us our eye, where our eye is, our centre, and our up and down. So backwards and forwards, up and down. Right. We'll do a couple of spaces, come back to our under our camera. All right. And then it's a no stroke. Brackets on, brackets off. Semicolon, enter. It's a box. Brackets on, 90. Brackets off. Semicolon, enter. Then we want a stroke this time. Brackets on. We want that at 255. That's going to be white. All right. Now we're going to create 3 lines. All right, that stick out of the box. All right. We're going to create 3 lines. Let me come down so you can see that. So it's the first line. All right. And it's brackets on. All right. Whoop. Go back. Brackets on. Brackets on. Minus 100, comma, space. 0, comma, space. 0, comma, space. 100, comma, space. 0, comma, space. 0. Brackets off, semicolon. Our next line, brackets on. We want that at 0, comma, space, minus 100, comma, space, 0, comma, space, 0, comma, space, 100, comma, space, 0. Brackets off, semicolon, enter. Line, brackets on. Keep putting me caps locks on. Line. Just tab this out. Line. All small case, okay. All small case. Caps lock. Whew. Bane of my life, they say, don't they? 0, comma, space. 0, comma, space. Minus 100, comma, space. 0, comma, space. 0, comma, space. 100. Brackets off, a semicolon. Okay. Space, space, curly brackets off. Okay, to close the void drawer. All right. Okay, so that's the code. Looks okay to me. Shall we run it? Fingers crossed. Missing a semicolon. Where? Where? Ah, stroke. Okay, semicolon. Schoolboy error. Okay, and there we go. So if you look, we've drawn the box, and if we move our mouse within the box, it changes its perspective. And here are the lines we've drawn. Back and forth, back and forth. Okay, cool. Right, I think we're on that one there. Yep, I think we are. So, that's how we, that was a quick look at doing perspective in Java. All right, so just remember that when we're coding, take your time, think about it, let's learn, Okay, and let's go at a gentle pace. Go at a gentle pace. Because we're old fogies, aren't we? We're old fogies. All right, and we're just trying to understand what our kids are doing at school. Well, thanks a lot. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget, give us a thumbs up, subscribe. Oh, it's that way. Subscribe and comment below. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.